Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will begin with two important numericals from electrostatics. The numericals are given here. ABC are three vertices of an equilateral triangle of side small a. Plus Q and plus Q. Three identical charges, each plus Q coulomb, are lying on the vertices as shown in the figure. We have to find the net electrostatic force on point C. In examination, the value of QA might be given, but here in more general form, to make clear concept, I have given this question here in the diagram. So our aim is to find the net electrostatic force on point C due to the charges at A and B. So the diagram once again I am making here. Plus Q charge here, plus Q charge here, again plus Q charge here. It is point A, B, C. The plus Q charge at B will repel plus Q charge at C away. Similarly, plus Q charge will repel plus Q charge at C like that. And this angle will be 60 degree. Again, it will be 60 degree. It is very clear because it is equilateral triangle and the two such angles are equal. A very important formula from superimposition principle of electrostatic forces. I explained it in my earlier class. Let F1 be the force on plus Q at C by plus Q at A. This one F1. Similarly, F2 force on plus Q at C by plus Q at B. So the sides are equal. Due to symmetry of distance and charges are symmetrical, so F1 will be equal to F2. Let it be F, say. So the resultant of F1 and F2, let it be F dash. So F dash, the resultant will be equal to F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta. And since F1 F2 equal to F, therefore F square plus F square 2F square plus F into F 2F square cos 60 degree. Now cos 60 degree means 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So F dash is equal to, take common 2F square it will be 1 plus cos 60 degree, and 2f square 1 plus cos 60 degree means 1 by 2. We can write here f will be out of the bracket of the under root, and this will be 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, that is under 3f Newton. This is the resultant force acting at point C. So it is very much clear that the f dash is equal to under 3f. Now another numerical. Two charges plus E and 4 plus 4E are d distance apart. What should be the third charge Q? At what distance this third charge Q would be kept between A and B so that the system might be in equilibrium? Means the value of Q and this X are to be calculated. Q and X. Q is equal to what? X is equal to what? So this is the question of equilibrium. Equilibrium means the net force acting at a point should be equal to 0. So let F1 force on plus Q by plus E and F2 force on plus Q by plus 4E. For equilibrium, force on plus Q, if it is F1, and force on plus Q by B, that should be opposite. So equal and opposite forces should take place. In vector form, you can also write here F1 plus F2, that should be equal to 0. But F1 equal to minus F2. If you take magnitude, then you can write here F1 is equal to F2. So F1 means K into Q1 Q2. Small e, F1 is force on plus Q by plus E. So this is the F1. So E into Q by X square. This is the unknown distance which we have supposed that a distance X Q is placed here. Again F2 K into force on plus Q by plus 4E. That is Q into 4E by this distance will be D minus X whole square. So this is D minus X whole square. K cancel, Q cancel, small e cancel. Now the calculation is very easy, and that easy calculation will be, this is 1 by X square is equal to 4 by D minus X whole square. That means 1 by X is equal to plus minus 2 by D minus X whole square. If you take positive sign, then 1 by X is equal to 2 by, this will be here D minus X, that is D minus X is equal to 2X, that is 3X is equal to D, that is X is equal to D by 3. Means at a distance of D by 3 from plus E, the charge Q plus Q will be in equilibrium position. Now what would be the value of Q? It is very interesting. that what would be the value of Q, I will discuss you in the upcoming class. So wait for that class, very interesting thing. Don't miss that video. Please like, subscribe and share.